Okay, so fuck.
So, hey, Joe.
Like when it comes to weekends, Buffett.
Yeah, let's talk about that. Let's talk about that.
No man's aware, Kukabang.
No man's aware.
Come on, dog. Why are you drinking this shit?
Oh, that's why you.
Bega nigga got 10 liters of water there, dog.
18, 20. Ah, don't.
Gangbang, nigga. Wanna what, babe?
So, what would you say that load shedding fuck up using Don? We know it's business. So let's remove the business side.
1 minute, I want to say something about load shedding from my perspective. This is not a conspiracy theory. I'm not trying to spread rumors. From where I'm standing, from where I stay, the conditioning, dog. May I tell you that these people are supposed to change each other.
Yeah.
There's something, but Mama cable be on a church or my cheetah. Like cable theft, fuck up. I'm a transformer, see why I shot.
Yeah. In the main, she transform away when a cooler was a way into it.
And transformers raise generations,
2 decades.
Exactly.
If the transformer could talk.
It's not like the kids are building houses.
2 decades.
Yeah, because the kids still yo,
You're going to slew.
But I honestly, they went like that. They might where they want suffering.
Yeah.
And then you find out good in
always. Yeah, I am.
What do you think?
Mina, Joe, I won't lie. Load shedding, Joe. Yazi into mukulinga yota. Masengeko. Maketi bakona. That I say.
Load shedding, it's like a deadbeat father.
Yes. Yes, exactly.
Yeah, okay, look, user.
User. Makakhona you fool, makangekho kuyabani. Pelike simahamba kuphela kubani. Kuyisama. Pelike and
stage 6.
There's some synchronous.
Yes.
Yo, khona lento le man esaziya ngayo man. Mayihambile ikese ekasuyeva. There's that certain silence. The Apollo phela ivakala.
Look at wakho mangakutext.
Yes.
But
ihambile ikese
ihambile
ikese etsakana.
Bayithathile.
Ayikho.
Omunye upreaching.
Joe.
Bridge of London.
Preachela amantombazane.
The queen very clean.
I'm fine. I thought she was never gonna die. I thought she was immortal.
I thought she was a stallion.
I
thought that was a stallion. I thought she was. Hey, Baba, this is a unique podcast.
Trying to get us cancelled and shit.
Oh wait, which queen are you talking
That was
about?
Paul Charles that put us
The
like.
Queen of England, dog.
Oh, I'm talking about the queen of,
Oh, I feel right.
Oh, when you got pause lately, hey, you just because you got pause.
You should think about me,
Trejo Tebujo from Turf Loop, but currently residing in Brakpan. I'm a scriptwriter and a filmmaker. I've always wanted to study film and TV production, but due to lack of funds, I ended teaching myself how to write scripts, shoot, edit, and direct short films and podcasts. I started a YouTube channel, Lang Tray Studio, where I shoot short films and podcasts on my Samsung